In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI to create realistic AI videos. We'll walk through the exact flow from opening your account to seeing your idea come to life, and I'll share practical tips along the way so your results look as polished and realistic as possible. First, open your Grok account. Make sure you're signed in and working on a reliable internet connection with an up-to-date browser. If this is your first time, simply create an account and log in. Once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace where all creative tools are accessible. Next, click Imagine. Think of Imagine as the creative studio inside Grok. It's where you describe what you want and the system translates your words into visuals. Opening Imagine ensures you're in the right place to generate new content rather than browsing previous outputs. On the left side, select Video. This switch is important because Grok can generate different media types, and choosing video tells it you want motion content. You'll see the interface focus on video generation with the prompt box front and center so you can describe your scene. Now, enter your prompt in the prompt box. For a straightforward example, type, "Create a video of puppies running." You can keep it simple like that or improve realism by adding a few descriptive details. For instance, mention the setting, like a sunny park or a beach at golden hour. You can describe the camera feel, such as slow-motion close-ups or a wide shot tracking the movement. Note the style and mood too, realistic, cinematic, playful, or documentary-like. The clearer your language, the more accurately Grok interprets your vision. Avoid long, tangled sentences. Short, clear phrases usually work best. When you're happy with your prompt, hit send. This is your confirmation to begin generation. Double-check your wording before sending so you don't have to wait twice for small fixes. Finally, wait patiently while Grok brings your prompt to life. Video generation is more resource-intensive than images, so render times can vary based on complexity and system load. You may see a progress indicator while it builds frames and refines motion. Resist the urge to click away or spam new requests. Letting the process finish cleanly usually gives you the best output. When it's done, your video will appear in the workspace, ready for you to view. That's the full flow. Open your account, click Imagine, select video, enter your prompt, hit send, and let Grok do the rest. With thoughtful prompts and a little patience, you'll be generating realistic AI videos in no time.